What's up guys? Welcome back sa ating channel. So, for today's video is all about shoe review, and I'd like to share guys some information regarding Japan product, shoe product guys, kung paano man nalaman legit check na galing siya ng Japan. So, without further ado guys, let's start. So ito na nga guys ang ating shoe review. Matagal tayong hindi nakapag shoe review guys. Siguro alam niyo na kung ano tong shoe na to. Familiar na kayo guys. Ito siya guys. The brand. Yan. Jordan Tatum 1. Ito guys is from made possible by AP Apparel guys. So check nyo guys yung page nila. I'm gonna post it here. Yan. And then yung link guys lalagay ko sa description below. Okay? So eto na nga guys. Wag na natin patagalin. Open na natin yung box. The usual way of opening, of course. So yan guys. Kita nyo. Legit. Maganda yung kanyang pagkaka-cover. So, syempre, ito na nga guys yung sinasabi ko. To check kung talagang legit yung product is makikita nyo guys yung ito guys, yung Japanese. Hindi yan Chinese guys ha. Masabihin nyo Chinese. Ito guys, yung Japanese characters. Ayan. Japanese character. And yung mismong store, yan guys, yung store address nandito siya. Yan. Store address yan guys. At syempre hindi nyo mababasa yan guys kasi naka Japanese siya. At eto guys is yung tag nya. Syempre tinanggal ko na guys kasi nagamit ko na tong shoe once pa lang to check yung syempre comfortability nung shoes. At the same time yung sabi nila guys sobrang gaan daw nito. Yun guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo just to make some short review. Napakagaan nito guys, sobrang gaan, para kang merong tag dito foam sa paa, ganun lang yung feeling. At ano pa, and guys yung shoe itself, yan Jordan Tatum 1, yun lang siya. So ano pa nga ba guys yung iba pang way is makikita nyo guys yung kanyang to check is yung dito guys, yung tag may barcode dyan, yun silip nyo guys, may barcode dyan, try nyong i-scan and then lalabas guys yung link ng store mismo na Jordan store, Nike store. So makikita nyo din. And syempre sa Japan guys is once na may tag yan at meron yung address is hindi siya fake guys ha. Hindi sila gumagawa ng OEM doon or replica or class A. Original guys yung binibenta sa Japan. So kung meron kayo guys gustong shoes, sabihin nyo lang guys sa page ng AP Apparel, baka matulungan kayo guys kung paano kayo mag-order. At ayun nga, may mga iba pa silang product guys bukod sa shoes, t-shirts, caps. Ayun, nakabili rin ako guys ng Jordan Cup na sold out dito sa Pinas guys, doon lang meron. So ano pa ba, try nyo guys i-PM yung page nila at get some information guys. May nakapost din guys, although may nakapost na doon sa page nila ng available shoes. Kung may preferred sizes kayo guys, just PM them para ma-guide kayo doon sa gusto nyo yung shoe. So without further ado, hindi ko na patatagalin guys, hindi ko na patatagalin yung ating vlog kasi short lang to. Hindi tayo nagre-review, in-depth review ng mga sapatos. It's just a short review of a shoe from Japan. So na-share ko na sa inyo guys kung paano mag-legit check. Check nyo lang yung tag, the address. Kung merong nakalagay dun guys na address sa Japan, that's a legit shoes. So yun guys, thank you for watching and supporting our channel. So hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and share guys. Share nyo na rin yung ating video. And thank you for your support guys. See you on the next vlog. God bless.